a dream RV at BehindTheYellowSide.com.
How do you imagine your New York fashion shoot? With Imagine Fashion Designer New York video game, you can design your way to the top of the glamorous world of New York fashion. It's your world starring you. Imagine Fashion Designer New York for Nintendo DS. Rated everyone. Games and systems sold separately. Simply imagine it.
I'm gonna give Jimmy some honey-made tendergrams to snack on.
Are they actually made with real fruit and 8 grams of whole grain?
Does a bear make sparkly hats for dogs?
Yes, he does. Sprinkle him, Teddy.
Yeah, give it more sparkles.
Your kids make great things, so give them a tasty, wholesome snack that has 8 grams of whole grain and is now made with real strawberries and bananas. Honey-made Teddy Grams. 2 new flavors now made with real fruit.
What's out there in the jungle is not a fun vacation.
Well, I'm not here for a vacation.
There they are!
Oh, God, sorry, Frank.
Strong form. Disney's Jungle Cruise, rated PG.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
And see why over 2 million people have joined us on our journey.
Home is with you wherever that may be.
Leaps and Bounds, the new indoor family playground that's as big as your child's imagination and as clean and safe as your own home. The new Leaps and Bounds are located at Bandera and 410 and Embassy Row at Bitters.
I wanted 5% off my back-to-school layaway items, and they said yes. I'm the queen of layaway.
Hey, Your Highness, we're holding up the line.
5% off back-to-school layaway at Kmart.
You are watching the Glamnet Network. And now, back to the show.
Girls, I just want you to know your mother and I realize it's not easy moving to a whole new town. Well, especially for you, Daria, right?
Did we move?